Okay.
If you're wondering why I'm all suited up with this mask on, it's just because I'm gonna have a dust storm engulfing this entire vicinity because of how dusty all this wood is, because there's just like little particles on here and they come off so easily because of the sandpaper on this, I don't know what you call it. Oh my gosh, grinder.
Orbital sander.
Yes. Yes, the sander. And it just makes all these particles pop up and it's really hard to breathe, so that's why I'm wearing this mask. So I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I have it locked. There you go. It's now sanded. Oh gosh.